How to build a community management strategy for Web3 brands. 1. Choose a social media channel. The first thing you'll want to do is choose the social media channel on which you'll manage your community. Think about your target audience's demographics to determine the best option for your company. For example, you might choose to focus your efforts on Twitter if you have a young target audience, Instagram if you're going for a broad target audience, or LinkedIn if you're targeting a more professional crowd. Other examples of platforms you might consider building and managing your community on include Facebook, YouTube, and Pinterest, Discord, Slack. 2. Identify your audience. Once you've chosen a social media channel, identify your audience on that platform. By doing this, you'll be able to see the type of content your target audience interacts with on the specific platform, what they like and expect from the brands similar to yours they already follow, and who they currently engage with. Ask your audience what type of content they want to see. In addition to identifying your audience, you should also ask them what they want to see to ensure you're creating and pushing out content relevant to them. This will ensure you're going to be able to reach your audience with social media content they want and are interested in. 4. Determine how you'll identify your success. Now it's time to determine how you'll identify your success. There's no right or wrong answer here. This is completely based on what matters to you and your company. Ask yourself, what's ideal for my brand? Here are some examples of success identifiers you might choose to focus on. Boost in audience members / increase in followers, number of conversation participants in a live chat or discussion, amount of content shared or liked by your followers. Overall engagement, likes, shares, mentions, hashtags, messages, comments, increase in brand awareness. 5. Set goals. Like most things in Web3 business, setting attainable goals, as well as stretch goals, is crucial when working to achieve your various objectives and measure your success. To get started, try running an experiment or two after you've determined how you plan on measuring your success. Throughout your experiment, you can also A/B test different content to see what your followers like the best and choose to interact with most. 6. Post regularly and engage with your audience. Success on the Web3 community requires consistency in terms of your frequency of posts and engagement. You should determine how often you're going to post on social media and stick to that plan so your audience members know you're reliable and start to expect to see your content. You'll train them to look for your latest posts. By maintaining an authentic voice and presence on social media, your brand will have a unique, human element behind it that feels trustworthy and personal to customers and community members. 7. Measure your results. To measure your results, decide on the method that works best for your needs, goals, and company. Here are a few ways to do this. Social listening. Social listening is the process of monitoring your social media accounts to look for and keep track of all mentions, customer feedback, keywords, and discussions related to your brand, products, services, and customers, even your competitors, too. You then take a deeper look at all of these things to analyze them and gain insight into what's working for your customers and followers, and what should be modified. Platform analytics. Depending on the social platform you chose for your community management strategy, there might be a built-in analytics tool for you to measure your success in terms of variables specific to that platform. Examples include Twitter Analytics, Instagram Insights, and Facebook Analytics. Analytics tools. If your platform of choice doesn't have an analytics tool included, or if you're looking for deeper analysis, you might choose to incorporate another tool or platform to help you measure your success. Examples include Google Analytics, Sprout Social, and HubSpot.